This is the sound effect game. Sprinkler.
Oh no.
Typewriter?
Yes.
Goose.
Oh no.
What? A heron?
Just skip it. Ding dong, ding dong.
Bells?
Ding dong.
Bells?
A specific kind of bell.
Church bell.
Yeah.
Like a bug zapper? Like a laser gun? A force field closing? A lightsaber?
It's a zipper. Waves crashing? You're at the beach. Beach sound. Ocean.
Yes.
Waves. Hairdryer?
Yes! Ding, 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 ding.
What the? What was it?
Morse code! A raven. A crow.
Yes.
A parrot?
Yeah.
An air pump? Sprinkler. Okay. A cat. Tinnitus. That was teapot? You didn't even ramp up. You just started at completely ready.
3 seconds.
Look.
Your voice is your voice cracking?
Pass.
A foghorn.
Yes.
You're blowing wind. You're passing gas. Air. A whoopee cushion.
Yes.
A dinosaur?
No, let me try. Stop looking at it.
No.
This is all one?
I can't. Like,
Pig.
yeah.
Crumpling papers.
No, never mind.
Werewolf. A wolf wolf. A wolf. A dog.
What am I doing?
Howling.
Yes.
Oh. Falling down the mountain? Like a ghost.
Yeah.
Okay.
Typewriter.
Yeah.
A whale?
Yeah.
Race car. Ping pong?
Yes.
Tennis. More tennis, fast tennis.
No. Yes. It would be such fast tennis. A turkey.
Yeah.
Motorcycle. Vehicle. A motor car. A Mustang. A muscle car.
Stop.
A monster. Revving the engine.
Yes, thank God.
Sprinklers. Oh, letting air out of a tire.
No. It's a harp. Why are violin? String instruments. Violin. You're revving the engine. You're changing gears. Starting a car. Starting an engine. Leaf blower?
Pass. Motorcycle.
The guy from the video.
Ongeloof is eigenlijk het juiste woord.
No. Go, go, gaga.
A baby.
Yes. Just babbling like a baby.
A blender?
No, I was packing tape. Dinosaur.
Yes.
Radar. Sonar.
Yes. No, sorry. Told me.
Gong.
It's a metal. That's not fair. You're not getting it.
It's the noise it makes. That's why it's called that.
Arguing? In a forum.
What's a normal
Town
human
hall.
word for forum? No, just a
The
blank
chatter.
of people.
It's mattering.
It's crowd. Move on. Forum. Sprinkler. Sprinkler. What?
It's a helicopter.
No, it wasn't. A clock.
Yeah.
Why did it ding?
It was an alarm clock.
Was it alarm clock?
No, I was just trying to get you to clock.
Oh, chewing gum, bubble gum. Bubble chewing gum. Gum bubbles.
Bubbles. Oh, piece of girls.
Crowd?
Yeah.
A forum. Motorboat.
Oh, bless.
All right, let me show you how this is done.
Okay. You think you're good at this game?